Alright, today we're gonna see how to install OpenClaw, before known as ClawdBot, on your Mac. So to get started, first thing we need is to have Node installed. If you don't have Node yet, you can install Brew from brew.sh. You basically need to copy this command here. I will go through it with you. I have it installed already, so it's gonna just update it. Yeah, here we go. So this is basically the installation of Brew. So it will run to verify and update my installation. Once it finishes, you can run this command brew install node to get node installed on your Mac. After that, you can see here that my homebrew finished the update. After that, what you have to do is basically verify if node is installed. So you can do that with node version. You can see here that I do have the version 24 running. Yeah, so after that, that's pretty much what we need before we get to the installation. And then they have two options to do the installation of OpenClaw. You can run this script, or you can run the manual installation using the npm package. I believe this one is a little bit safer. Both of them can be, of course, add some malware or something, but I guess bring it directly from npm is a little bit safer than running an install script from somewhere else. So I will go this way. So I'm going to install OpenClaw dependency here on my system. The first time it takes a little bit of time. Let's just wait for that. All right, that was quick. With it installed, next step is to run the startup of the service, and you can do that with this command here. So I'm gonna just copy that and then run it, and this will guide us through the onboarding. First thing, it brings this alert explaining a little bit more about the security concerns that we should have, that we should run in a sandbox, and we should give the minimum number of privilege or access to this tool. I'll just say yes, since I don't have much running on this computer. It's just for testing, but keep that in mind. Then you need to choose the onboarding mode. I'm gonna go with quick start. And next we need to choose the agent, basically which AI tool we're gonna use behind the scenes. I'm gonna go with cloud, so let me select this here, and I'm gonna go with the API key. And to generate that, you can go to cloud. If you don't have an account, you can create one really quick. Go to API keys and create a new key. Say here my test bot, and then copy the key and paste it here. And now you can choose which model from cloud you want to use. I'm gonna go with this one. And next you can select which channel you want to use to communicate with the bot. I had tested before WhatsApp. It's really simple. You just need to scan the QR code. So for now, I'm gonna go with Telegram. And for Telegram, it gives you the instructions here. But basically, what you have to do is go to your Telegram, find the bot fodder, and then type the command new bot. And it asks the name of the bot you want to give it. I'll call it OpenClaw test 1. And then it says, okay, now we need something with bot in the end for the username of the bot. So I'll say OpenClaw test 1 underscore bot. And that's pretty much it. We got the key here to access our bot. I'm gonna copy that and paste here. Cool. Now it asks if you want to configure any skills now. I'm gonna say I'm gonna use npm. And well, I guess for now we don't need anything from here to be honest. We can say maybe things Mac, so it have access to things CLI on Mac. And yeah, and then you can go through one by one on those and see which ones are nice for your use case. You can give access, for example, to Nano Banana from Google, so it can generate image and stuff like that. Now I'm going to proceed. So it will do the installation of the skills that I selected. And it should not take too long. All right, then it will go through some API keys. So it's asking for Google Places, Gemini, Notion, OpenAI, and for now I'll not set any of those. 11 Labs if you want to have support to voice. So skip them for now, and now it asks if I want to enable some hooks, and basically those hooks are used for memory and logging. So I will enable all of them, so we keep the state and we can define a state on the startup of the service. Press enter, and it will start to install and start the service. It should be really quick. Well, now we want to choose one of the options on how we can test the bot. So I will go with the first one here. And you should get a new window with the OpenClaw dashboard basically running. And here you see the first test of your bot replying to you. So this is basically the cloud communicating with you. So if you type something here, you are not talking with OpenClaw directly. OpenClaw is basically a proxy or a wrapper that's talking with our agent in cloud. Next, what we have to do is to set up our bot. So if I go here and try to find with our bot, what is it here? So start. So this is the bot we just created. It's not really ready. We need to run this command to finish the setup. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this command here, and you need to also add this binding code here and then execute it in the terminal. So I'll do that right now. Let me just open a new tab and run that command now. All right, so now we should get a message saying that the Telegram bot was approved. So now we can start to test it directly from Telegram. So if I say here, hi, we should get a message on the dashboard as well. Here it is, our message and the reply that we got from the bot. The reply is also on Telegram. So you can see here on this local dashboard, and you can also talk to it through Telegram. And just for the sake of doing a test, we can ask, for example, which folders I have under the W folder on my user. So I'm asking a specific question about the structure of directories on my system, which is which folders I have under the W folder, which are those two. So let's see the answer. So it said, oh, under the W folder you have those two folders. So yeah, it's completely right. So it does have full access to my system right now. One test we can do is create a test, a demo landing page under W as well, and run it using Python local service, and give me the URL to test it. So I'm basically instructing Cloud to create a demo sample landing page, but I'm talking to it through Telegram, so I could do it from my phone, for example. And what this is doing is the message will be proxied by OpenClaw. OpenClaw will execute the Cloud command. The Cloud will create this demo for myself and run the Python script that I asked for. And then after that, the output from Cloud will be sent back to us. One nice thing to note is that here you just get the response once it's done, but in OpenClaw, in the dashboard, you can see the streaming of the response as Cloud responds to us. So if we open this test now, we should see a demo page, which is really nice. And I guess if we go to the terminal again and check, now that is a demo landing page and an HTML there with the content of the demo landing page. Well, that's pretty much it. So you can see OpenClaw is basically a proxy on top of Cloud Code, giving access to Cloud Code from anywhere, and on top of that it added some skills and the ability of saving the conversations in logs and stuff like that for security, which is good. But I will not use it on my production, let's say VM, or on my day-to-day laptop, just because it's not secure enough right now. Oh, another thing to note is that if you go to the API keys and check now how much we spent, let me refresh the page. So we did talk like 3-4 chats with Cloud until now, and you can see we spent 33 cents already. So it's a little bit expensive. As you automate tasks, it will run on the background as well, and it will make the usage even higher and the expense will even higher as well. So it can go up really quick. So if you want to give it a try for a few days, I would say define a maximum amount here, so you can know when it reaches, let's say, 50 euros or $50 or so. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I just wanted to show how to set up Cloud on Mac, and yeah, thank you very much.